Hi my respected friends, thanks to all to support me. Today this video is Mahzooz star prediction. Next drawing on 19th February 2022. Dear friends, first important point, you should select your maximum numbers between 26 to 49. 3 or 4 numbers should come between 26 to 49. Another point is you should select 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. My 16 powerful numbers out of 49. From 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers 6, 8 and 9. From 10 to 19 I have 3 numbers 13, 14 and 19. From 20 to 29 I have 2 numbers 26 and 27. And from 30 to 39 I have 4 numbers 31 and 32, 34 and 38. In last from 40 to 49 I have also 4 numbers that are 40, 41, 43 and 46. If the numbers will repeat from previous result was 17, 21, 30, 35 and 36. This is previous result. If the number will repeat, then 21 and 36. These numbers has chances to repeat in the coming draw. Friends, these are my powerful prediction. If you like any number, you can choose from it. If you don't like, you can leave it. Okay friends, from 16 numbers, there are most important golden numbers. Number 1 is 14, 19 and 41 and 46. You should select 1 or 2 numbers from these numbers. These numbers has very high chances. These are my golden numbers. I already show in my 16 numbers, you can see 14, 19, 41 and 46. So you should must keep these numbers in your mind at the time of your selection. And these are my 16 numbers. You should select your pattern according to these points. These are all about my research. This is according to my research. If you like, you can follow. If you don't like, you can leave it. No problem. So in the end, good luck to all and goodbye.